Oh my gosh. Holy sh. A castle that looks straight out of a fairy tale. It's giving Cybertruck vibes, and what in the wild, wild west is happening here? Hey, what's up guys? I'm real estate expert Mark Magstadt. Today we're touring some of the most shocking homes on the internet. All right, let's tour the first house, shall we? 3201 University Boulevard, Houston, Texas. Now, let me know in the comments below, do you love Cybertrucks? Because if you do, you're gonna love this house. This is the Cybertruck house. 3.4 million. Dang, look at that entrance. This almost looks like something where you'd see like a McLaren racing team parking out back, or maybe even something from like Star Wars. But yeah, it definitely does have that Cybertruck feel. Cruising in, the big old dual stairwell going up. Man, this thing is wild. You got the windows that look kind of cyberish. Elon Musk, dude, buy this house. 3.4 million, you just made that. Unique, fun, crazy, definitely a very distinct style. It's kind of got that 80s, 90s vibe, a lot of like grays and blacks and, you know, maybe mix in a little bit of warmth. But yeah, looks like a pretty funky, crazy. That roof is sweet. Then you have that, looks like just a cute little pool. Probably could have gone a little bigger with the pool. Oh, that's like an indoor dance area or gym. Wow, all kinds of crazy cool stuff. Houston's bustling. I have a good friend that lives out there. He sells real estate. Maybe I'll ask him, what's the scoop on University Boulevard? With the outside, the slate, the metal roof, it reminds me of Darth Vader. I did say Star Wars, but now I'm even fine tuning it more. Just get a couple lightsabers and good to go with this house. But very unique. It's got some fun aspects. That sunken living room, that's old school. Big old high ceilings, I love that. They had a vision in mind and they stuck with it. 4-bedroom, 5-bath, 7,040 square feet, 3,450. I know Houston gets definitely very warm in the summertime. Seems like a pretty cool opportunity. I'm kind of about here-ish, you know, 18,000 square foot lot, nice size lot. Maybe Elon or Darth Vader fans can buy this property.
I want that ship, not excuses.
Yes, Lord.
Let me know in the comments below, you like the cyber house. All right, the Wild Wild West house, Hillsboro, Oregon. I went to college in Oregon, so I know exactly where this is. 5-bedroom, 3.5 bath. Man, almost 9,000 square feet, 16 acres. Looks like a big, beautiful property. Kind of has that farmhouse feel as you cruise in. Nice use of woods and, you know, a little bit dated. Could probably use a little bit of updating. You know, carpets look kind of basic and original, but some fun space. And then the outdoor space so off of that pool. That's beautiful. Big old huge deck, fire pit area. You're on 16 acres, so you have a lot of room. I mean, you look at that one photo with the rope swing and the tire, my boys would be, Dad, we will see you in a couple hours. All we need is a couple baseballs, a football, and a soccer ball. Got the barn. Look at that. You even have a train.
Choo-choo! All aboard the Ladybug Express!
Oh yeah, all right. We're in the Wild Wild West, baby. Blacksmith, hotel. Man, looks like you could pan for gold. Okay, this is pretty cool. Feed area. Wow, okay. The interesting part about this is like you have that house and then you have this whole fun area. Just like Airbnb, you could probably crush it with this type of a property. People come and just having a blast. I mean, you have like the old bridge, barn, lake, a castle. Yeah, this thing's awesome. Is this like a movie set? It's very, very cool. I mean, Hillsboro, that's out there. It's off market, but so this sold back in 2020 for $975, and now the Zestimate, which sometimes accurate, sometimes not, is right around 2.2 million. So I don't know if it just had the house and they added all that other stuff and that's what increased the value, but if not, 4 or 5 years, you're almost doubling your money. Not a bad investment. Gotta love real estate. Don't wait to buy real estate and wait. At 2.2 seems a little bit heavy, especially since they bought it for $975, but I'm kind of about here. I like it. Get back to the roots of Oregon and have some fun out there.
Come on, I just don't see a problem here. Let's just do it.
Let me know in the comments below, would you buy the Wild Wild West house? All right, let's step into the castle house. All I said was, oh my gosh, when I pulled this up. It's 9-bedroom, 7.5 bath. It's 18,777 square feet. It's almost a half acre, and it's on a 375 acre lot. This is mind-blowing. I would never, ever live in something like this. I can't deal with 18,000 plus square feet, and I can't deal with that much acreage. But would you look at this house Man, Woodstock, Connecticut. Curb appeal, I mean, I don't know, what do you greet your guests as a, you know, like a knight in shining armor? You come cruising out on the horse. You have the archways, you have a moat right on that lake. This is seriously one of the craziest houses I've ever seen. I mean, you see like these overseas and Disneyland, but people actually own and live in this house. Man, look at that spiral staircase. That gets you dang dizzy. Yeah, is that the family crest on the door? I would not even know where to begin as far as maintenance. What's your utility bills and something like this? Weddings, big gatherings, you know, like fun retreats for, I think it would be something like that. I don't really see a family living and really enjoying this. Well, maybe, but you couldn't find your kids, 300 plus acres to try to find your kids, so. This property was last listed this year for 29 million bucks. So I was kind of talking about doing an Airbnb. You have to be extremely wealthy to carry 29 million and make your money back using this as an Airbnb.
I'm rich, bitch!
This is, to me, a once in a lifetime opportunity. It's probably gonna be for about 1% of the population of buyers out there. It's gonna be an extremely challenging sale. So whoever owns this, I hope you love it. I hope your kids love it because it's probably gonna go on for generation to generation. Unique, cool, fun. I'd love to go and stay there for a night, but I'm not buying this thing. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think? The off-the-grid dome house. Tehachapi? I don't even know if I'm saying that right, but it doesn't matter. $1,125,000, 4-bedroom, 3-bath. I mean, this house is completely off the grid, which it definitely looks like it is. I mean, it's got kind of a fun little vibe to it. Fairly straightforward, basic architecture. Some absolutely beautiful views. I do like the dome as you work your way up, kind of like you're in a dang spaceship. The house is 4 levels itself, and then as you work your way around, you see like a full functioning, like, looks like a complete solar grid room. There's like a cute little cabin area, but if you look in that bad boy, it's got that beautiful door that opens up, and then there's a little patch of turf. I'm wondering if they chip golf balls off of that. But yeah, look at that thing. Wide open, dirt, very low maintenance yard, but you're definitely out there in the middle of nowhere. Looks like a big old water tank. Well, solar panels. I mean, you look at that aerial photo coming down, looks like you landed on the moon, baby. $1,125,000, I mean, who knows? Kind of a fun little getaway. You want to get out, get off the grid. This is definitely a nice opportunity. I do have a friend of mine that has a Airbnb that's very similar to like this, and he's doing really well with it. It's like people just want to get there. They do a lot of yoga, they meditate. He has a cold plunge, they have a sauna, so this could be kind of a fun little area. It's on 20 acres and every single aspect of that is fully utilized. You have camping spots. So I mean, you can maybe put a couple of those little yurts on there so it's like glamping. I've also seen where you take, you know, like an old school Airstream and or like an old school camper, just pull that in and you could turn that into like a little camping spot. Probably be awesome for like corporate retreats and just a matter of getting out there. But I did see there is an HOA fee and it's $8 a month. That's nothing. We have a listing in La Jolla right now and the HOA fees are $3,100 a month. So yeah, $8, nothing.
Forget about it.
Let me know. I kind of dig this with the crazy world that we live in and the always checking your phones, and it's just nice to kind of get away and just get out in nature. So I'm digging this. I like it. Be honest. Which house was your favorite? Let me know in the comments, and if you see any other bizarre home listings out there or shocking home details, please definitely send them my way. All right, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you binge watch the entire playlist and subscribe to my channel. That way you're in the know every time I post a new video. Thanks so much for watching.